when to turn your Windows 11 desktop into a clean enemy setup. In this video, I will show you how to create one of the best enemy style desktop using Seelen UI customization. It's simple, fast and look amazing. You don't need any advanced skill. Just follow the setup and I will get smooth, aesthetic setup in minutes. From icons to layout, everything will match a beautiful enemy vibe. If you love customization and your PC stand out, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started and transfer your Windows desktop in something truly beautiful and unique. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this anime style Windows 11 setup using Seelen UI customization. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and video and subscribe for more amazing customization ideas. Let me know in the comment that setup you want to see next. All the links are in the description, so check them out and try it yourself. Keep customization, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.